Boom shakalaka, further evidence that the Bitcoin bottom is already in as we prepare for the post-summer rally. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including some price predictions where Bitcoin could end up. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin, why it does appear the bottom is already in with the Pi cycle bottom indicator and a lot of other indicators already flagging, why we're likely headed toward a post-summer rally, and what type of numbers we could be headed towards. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push the like button. It's Sunday. What do you expect? Well, today we have fear at 39, a little bit lower than we were yesterday, but we're out of extreme fear. It seems as the prices creeped up, people are less fearful. The overall market today down just a hair, less than 1%. Bitcoin at 23,727, Ethereum at 1,698, BNB at 292, XRP 38 cents, Cardano 52 cents, Solana $43, and Dogecoin 7 cents. And if you want to the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, they would be Euclid Coin, Flux, Engine Coin, Civic, and Ren BTC. And if you want to check out token metrics for yourself, there is a 1-week free trial down in the description where you could head over to research and find the top code review coins, which is how they picked out the 100x cryptos in the last bear market. Now, today we have Bitcoin following in this nice gentle uptrend, but in the past few days it has broken back above this yellow line, the 200 weekly moving average, which is very, very good news. And as a matter of fact, if we just extend that 200 weekly moving average, guess what? It will be supported by the current trend we're in by the end of August. Coincidentally, also finding support on this dotted or dashed white line, which has been long time, multi-year support for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin will be back into support territory, further suggesting the bottom may already be in. But if we take a look at some charts today, we have this from Trading Shot saying Bitcoin bottom and prepares for the post-summer rally. Taking a look at the Williams Alligator, where basically when we have these three crosses, they all occur around the times of bottoms. Particularly, we have the green-red bearish cross, we have the red-blue cross, and we also take a look at the RSI down here, down on the bottom. Now, we have had all the crosses that would suggest that we are in bottom territory if we take a look at previous times that we've had similar things. Not only that, but we shall soon be coming up to break the moving average of the RSI, all things suggesting that the bottom is already in and the rally is yet upcoming. And we've even moved out of extreme, amazing, generational Bitcoin buying opportunity territory. This chart here was when Bitcoin has only been this far below its 200-day moving average only a handful of times, less than 2%. And you can see it here in green. Well, we've actually moved out of the green zone, out of green territory. So if you missed the bottom, well, guess what? We're still kind of pretty darn close. But if we take a look, a lot of market is moved by perpetuals, futures, open interest, and the Bitcoin market cap is soaring. Do you think this buildup of contract is positioned more aggressively to the long or the short side? I think most likely towards the longs, because shorting Bitcoin right now would be a particularly risky endeavor. There's only so much further down it can go, particularly after it has recovered from such amazing consolidation events. Take a look at this accumulation that we just had recently. This is the Bitcoin bear market accumulation visualized when we had these giant capitulation peaks, spikes, giant capitulation events. Well, we had bear market bottoms surrounding them, and guess what? We are in the same territory where we have been previously with these capitulation events. If you just take a look, this goes pretty much sideways and then takes off, goes pretty much sideways and then takes off, goes pretty much sideways and then takes off, goes pretty much sideways and then takes off once again, suggesting that the bottom is likely already in as we're headed towards some higher highs. But William Clemente saying he's still waiting for short-term holder cost basis to be reclaimed to feel confident in a full-on trend reversal. Right now it sits at $28,000, which is also confluence with technical resistance, just something to keep in mind for consideration. So if you're one of those negative Nancy's, if particularly you're one of these people who's shorting right now, or considering shorting, or maybe hesitant about going long, well, maybe you just want to wait until we get back to $28,000 for confirmation. Not only that, but if we take a look, those lines would be roughly around previous support levels, this $30,000 area that we've seen previously suggesting support. Now, furthermore, it appears like we are at the bottom. Bitcoin, the fifth great bull run starts, potentially generational buying opportunities. Well, if that would be so, where would Bitcoin go and how soon would it go? Well, I'll tell you one thing. It's not going to happen in the next month or 2 months or 3 months. Generally, it takes a little bit longer for a recovery for that, typically 1 to 2 years. But if it does, prices we could be looking at somewhere $280,000 area. If we take a look, even considering this stepwise upward trend that Willy Woo was talking about back last year when he thought 2022 was going to be a good year, kind of off with that one. But this stepwise trend, if we consider this, 72% drawdown, and then 1,000% up, and then 72% down, and then 1,000% up would put us in the same area, $280,000 Bitcoin, same as we saw on this chart here. Or for those of you who are less optimistic, we could take a look at this right here, where basically we have the parabolic run-up, and then a straight line from that parabola points to the next top. And we have the parabolic run-up, straight line points to the next top. Parabolic run-up, straight line points to the next top. Parabolic run-up, straight line points to $175,000 for Bitcoin by the end of 2024. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.